Have you completed your trademark application on the IPO portal, but your application is stuck because of the power of Anthony? Don't start a new registration just yet. In this video, I will show you the correct way to re-upload your power of Anthony after registration on the IPO portal so that your application can move forward to the next level successfully. Because if you don't upload your power of Anthony correctly, your trademark application will never move to the next stage. So stay with me as we go through how you can do this easily and fastly with ease. Welcome once again to this video. So in this video, I will be taking us through how we can add our power of Anthony to an already registered trademark. If you already registered your trademark, if you already filed your trademark on the IPONigeria.com portal and you want to correct some mistakes that you find out on your power of Anthony, or you want to add some things to your power of Anthony, this is how you upload it back to the portal after you might have corrected whatsoever you want to correct on your power of Anthony. So check out the video that I made on how to correct or edit power of Anthony. You are going to learn something from that if you've not watched that video. Then after you've done that editing or correction or removing and all the necessary thing has been fixed, this is how you are going to add it back to the portal, this is how you are going to add that particular original copy now to the portal. So let's go straight into it. If you are just coming across my video, this is Charlotte Rem 247 Consult. You are welcome on board. Do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section if you have any question. So let's go straight into it. All you need to do is to log into your portal and come down to where you have trademark. Click on that trademark and it will take you down to this interface. Then you come down to clerical updates. Click on clerical updates. It will open up this interface for you. When you get to this interface, you need to enter the file number you want to search in this spot. So what you need to do is to just click on this place where you have file number and paste your file number. The file number is that particular number that starts with ng/tm/o/ then numbers. So that is your file number. So if you don't have it already, go and copy it. You paste it here, then you click on search. Then the next thing is for you to give it time to load. You can see it's road searching. Let it search the file that we actually want to correct something on. Give it time to load up. So here we are. It has gotten our file for us. The next thing is for you to come down to this particular place where you have select here. Click on this arrow down. It will display this for you. Don't forget, what you want to update is your power of Anthony. You need to click on update correspondence/attachments. Update correspondence/attachment. You click on this, then give it time to load, and boom, it will take you down to this particular interface where you can now update the power of Anthony that you had corrected. The power of Anthony must be in PDF format. So you click on this spot and then it will take you down to your phone gallery where you need to pick that particular document from. So here is the power of attorney that we want to re-upload. You click on it and then you click on pay, let it process, and boom, it will take you here for you to submit it. So once you submit it, you look down below that page where you are submitting. You are going to be seeing an update pop up that will show clerical update submitted successfully. So with this, you are good to go, and it will automatically correct the power of Anthony, which means the one that was there before will be replaced by the new one. So as it is now, the power of Anthony we have on that particular application has been changed with the correct one that we just uploaded. So that is how you change your power of Anthony on your application that is still on awaiting search. I hope you get that right. So right now that you have successfully uploaded your power of attorney that you made some correction on, let me show you how you are going to check it. Just stay calm and follow me. You are going to log in and come to this interface. Once you get to this interface, come to this place where you have portfolio summary. Click on this trademark application. Click on it like this. Then it will load up this interface for you. You'll be seeing that particular registration that is under awaiting search. So you come to this left hand side and tick this box for it to be active. Then you come down here and click on view. Once you click on view, it will take you down to this particular interface where you will come down to the last extreme end here where you have power of Anthony. Click on this and it will load up this particular interface for you. Then the next thing is for you to open it and see if the corrections you made are there or not. So in as much as you've uploaded it the right way and your corrections are showing right on your power of Anthony, then you are good to go. So this is how you re-upload your power of Anthony after you might have done your filing and every other thing on the portal, and also how you can check to confirm if it has been uploaded correctly. Yes, because you need to make sure you confirm that before it is being approved. So once that is done, you are in a safe hand. So I believe and I hope you find value in this video. And so if you find this video helpful, if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to like. Feel free to subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free. And don't forget to drop your comment. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. I'll be glad to provide an answer to your question. And should in case you need a one-on-one coaching or you need help with your trademark registration or your name search, feel free to use the link in the description box to reach out to me and I'll be glad to help out. Thank you. I will see you in our next video. And in our next video, I'll be showing us how we can edit or correct the correspondence details on an already filed application on the IPONigeria.com. Thank you. I will see you in the next video.